wait. Yeah, okay. This is part 2. That's really weird. But yeah, grand one. So we already had this one, milk carton. Slow rising. This one, piano one. Makes much noise. Not that slow rising. This one, not that slow rising, but I do not like the colors together. And this one, that's not even slow rising. It's a store-bought one. And the paper squishy, but it would be better if this was taped together. Very squishy, not slow rising. And now we're time for the green one. Oh wait, no, it's not even in the bag, so let's see that. Nothing in the bag. There's no one. Okay. Oh, it's stuck in my hand. Okay. Wait, ow. No, it's the grand one. Okay, so now it used to be a popsicle stick, but that broke off. Very squishy. I love the colors together. They're so cute. It's just the best. Now in the back, they're a little. But then I love the sprinkles. And, yeah, this is the grand squishy.